Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are learning C programming language in this playlist, and today we are going to talk about compilers. Now, C is a compiler based language. So, what does compiler based mean? Well, as we all know, computers can't read our human languages, and what they get is binary language. That is basically 0 and 1. So, to explain to computer what we want to do, we need to tell it in binary language so that it can understand. But the binary language is too hard for people to understand. So to solve this problem, we use programming languages that has words people can understand. So now how do you convert this code written in programming language to a binary code so that computer can get it? Compilers and interpreters come to help us at this point. Both compilers and interpreters do the same thing but in a different way. As C is a compiler based language, and that means it uses compiler to translate codes into binary code. I'll be explaining only compiler in this video. Okay, so let's think of this box as our compiler or translator. And we have our code written in programming language here. The compiler will translate it when we run the code. So compiler works in two steps. Okay, first we give our code to the compiler, and the first step will be to read the whole code, the whole given code, and see if there is an error. Now if there is an error, it will stop right there and say us what error we have got, and if there is no error, it will create an object code, and this object code is something our computer can translate into binary code by itself. So you won't need a compiler or interpreter to run this object or executive code. That means you can now give this objective code to the computer to run it.